Hello, and welcome back, guys, to Fequiere Fitness TV. I'm your host, Daniel Fequiere, health and fitness coach. And today, guys, we're going to be doing some cardio workouts. That's right. If you're new to this channel, please comment below for workouts you'd like for me to do next. And you know how we start this, guys. Dance, dance, dance. Exercise 1, 3-step Heisman. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and your knees slightly bent. Have your arms at your sides in a running motion. Bring your right knee up so your right thigh is parallel with the floor. Jump off your left foot to land softly on your right to take 2 mini steps to the right side. Raise your left knee up at hip level and pump your right arm forward. Immediately reverse the motion back to the starting position. Continue alternating sides for 1 minute. Exercise 2, A skip, C skip. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your knees slightly bent. Have your arms out towards your sides. In a skipping motion, drive your right knee up forward so your right thigh is parallel with the floor. Land back down softly and bring your right knee up and out laterally so your leg is bent at a 90-degree angle towards your right side. Lower it back down, then immediately repeat the same steps with your left leg. Continue alternating sides for 1 minute. Exercise 3, Skaters. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and your knees slightly bent in a squat position. Jump sideways to the left, landing first with your left leg. Bring your right leg behind your left ankle, tapping your right foot to the floor. Reverse directions by jumping to the right with your right leg. This completes 1 rep. Continue alternating sides for 1 minute. Exercise 4, Cross Jacks. Stand with your feet wider than hip width apart and your knees slightly bent. Have your arms extended out laterally at shoulder height. In a skipping motion, jump up and cross your right foot over your left. Immediately jump back to the starting position. Then jump once more again, now crossing your left over your right. Return back to the starting position. Continue alternating sides for 1 minute. Wow, Warriors, another tough workout in the books. Your heart should be pounding. Again, if you're new to this channel, please comment below for workouts you'd like for me to do next. As well, if you like this workout gear that I'm wearing, don't forget to check out my website at fequierefitness.com. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a like and subscribe to the page. And you know how we finish. Dance, dance, dance.